Hey guys, Siddharth here. So right now I'm going to make a video of shifting all my items to storage space, and I'll be showing every process step by step of how they are packing, how they are taking the items, in which vehicle they are taking, how much item I have, and accordingly we will see if it's a good idea to store all your commodities with them or otherwise. So let's get started. So this is my room. This is a 1 BHK. So these are my items. Sorry, everything is scattered here. So starting with, I have a inverter with battery which I am taking out. I have a folding table, folding chair, all my utensils, fridge of Mitashi, LG washing machine, guitar, and what more? My bed along with mattress. So these are the items which I'll be taking out, and this is my room. It's a pretty good one. I'm sorry my room is all scattered. I know it looks hell ugly. Sorry about that. So this is how it is. These items I am not taking out. These are all things to be thrown out. So these are the items. I have already placed them properly so that it will take less time for them to pick it up and keep it in their warehouse. So probably they are going to take it to either Whitefield or there is another name, Sokyo or something like that. So let us see how they do it. So here they are arriving, and they're going to call me. This is the truck in which we are going to shift our items. Stay tuned. So finally they have arrived. Hi sir.
Hi sir.
Sir, your good name?
Krishnappa.
Okay sir. So sir, what are the items we require right now? Okay sir, क्या क्या आइटम अभी चाहिए मतलब पैक करने के लिए?
सर कुछ फर्स्ट हम लोग को अंदर जाने का पर्सनल आइटम निकाल के रखने हैं।
अच्छा
करते वाला आइटम है तो तुम पर्सनल आया होगा ना।
अच्छा
गोल्ड मोबाइल ऐसा वाला आइटम तो साइड में रखना। अच्छा बाद में हम लोग अंदर आएगा। अच्छा क्या क्या जाएगा देख के बाद में क्लीन करके पैकिंग करेंगे।
अच्छा अच्छा ठीक है, तो शुरू करते हैं फिर।
थैंक यू।
थैंक यू। So they have started right now. So first they will be putting all the items in the box, whichever the items that are necessary, and one by one they will be packing the larger appliances. So let's see how they do it. It will be a bit lengthy video, so please bear with me. Thank you. So we have देख पा रहे हैं वो they are breaking all the items to pack everything of it. Some of the things I have already pre-packed it so that it will be easy for them just to pack, so there will be no issues with that. For that reason I have already given this one. Thank you. So now they will be packing the mattress. It's a huge one, so it will be very difficult for them to take it, but let's see how to do it. साइड में रखेंगे। See how fast they are just packing immediately, and most probably if they have packed some of the items, it will hardly take half an hour or an hour. So that is how they will be doing. So this one is the mattress which they will be packing, and this is how it is. So this is my bed. So this one, when it came inside, it was very difficult for me to take inside, but I hope they can take it clearly. So this is how they pack the mattress. First with first layer of sheet. So you can see how prompt they are. They're just packing immediately without losing any time. So this is what I like the most about this. So immediately 4 people are involved in this, and they're doing their work very diligently. That is what big kudos to me. So now I think they will be doing the bubble wrapping of all the appliances along with making of the bed. So they have a step-by-step process. First one is of mattress being wrapped in a sheet, then with the bubble wrap. So that is how they do. So now they are packing the table and chair, each and everything. So one by one, and you can see how my ceramic plates are being packed. This is very important, very delicate stuff which might break in the transport. So they are packing each and every item with extra care with bubble wrap and all, so that nothing breaks. I will show you a demo where he's packing the cup. You can see how they are packing it. So this is how they will do. They'll bubble wrap the whole of the ceramic items or the glass items, and will be wrapping it with it, and it will go into outside. So now the table is done and the chair is done. तो इसको और थोड़ा देंगे, इसको और थोड़ा पैक करेंगे या हो जाएगा? So now you can see how they're packing the cot. They have done one cotton wrapping along with the sticking sheet. So after that they will bring it outside. साइड थोड़ा So now my packaging is done by the team, and this is everything. So they are packed in a very short time, all my items, and you can see guitar, beanbag, boxes. So I required only one more box. So they were all very cooperative with me and helped me a lot. So this one is a cot as they are packed, and mattress is outside. So everything is done. So it's done. Now they will be taking one by one item. तो फाइनली हम पहुंच गए हैं अभी सेफ स्टोरेज के फैसिलिटी में, जहाँ पर सब कुछ रहेगा। ये जैसे कि देख पा रहे हैं, तो आप देख पा रहे हैं एक रेड कलर हेलमेट 650 का चूना लग गया है मेरा। अभी ट्रैफिक ने पकड़ लिया। वैसे है बिना हेलमेट के मैं बिल्कुल भी जाता नहीं हूँ, मुझे जल्दबाजी में निकलना पड़ा, जिसके कारण 500 रुपये गिनना पड़ा, जिसके कारण बहुत लॉस हो गया। Okay, hi. Your good name?
Yeah, hi. My name is Puneet. So I'm heading with the operations and everything.
Okay.
So now team is done with the pickups and everything.
Yeah.
So now the vehicle will come to our warehouse.
Okay.
We'll start unloading. So
Okay.
there will be receiver teams who will be in charge for that.
Okay.
So they will take the goods. So they will generate the inventory, re-inventories. They
Okay.
will cross-check into pin and everything. So including the packing qualities and all the things will verify everything. Then it will unloaded here. Then
Okay.
we'll send it for the updations.
Okay.
After updations, it will be we'll get the clear pictures of that exactly what items we have received and what all is not received. So inventory it will be generated. So after that we'll go for the barcodings. The next step we'll go for the barcodings, where we are doing each items it will be done by the barcodes. So
Okay.
each items and everything verified with the customer name, pickup date, and each items it will be mentioned customer name P1, P2. So the serial wise will be cross checked and everything will be updating on that.
Okay.
So after once we update and everything, so minor anything mistakes or something it's happened, it will be cleared in that position only. So
Okay.
it will not go for the next final thing. So after barcoding and everything, there is final touch is for the stacking, where we are doing the stackings. They will be arranged and everything it will be done over there. So they will be again rechecked over there. So exact items has been cross-checked and everything. So after once we send the stacking and everything, we'll give the confirmation to the backend team saying that the goods has been cleared and we have done the stackings.
Okay.
Then we'll be receiving within welcome. So these
Okay.
are the next steps what we are doing for you.
So after that, I'll be receiving what is the amount I have to pay, and
Yes,
what is
so
all
after
those
you'll be
transportation
getting
charges and
welcome
all.
note and everything.
Yeah.
You'll be getting the breakups. What will be your monthly charges?
Yeah.
And what are the month you have to pay? There will be a due date and everything.
Okay.
And even you'll be getting a reminder mails from our end
Okay.
saying that this is the next payment for you.
Okay.
So these are the things which we will be following on that.
Okay, okay. So you have that same offer that is going on for 6 months. We have 10%, and for 12 months there's 20% or something like
Yes,
that.
sir. 10 months for 6% and 20% for the for 1
Okay.
year. So based on the customer requirements. So initially they will go for either 6 months or whatever.
Okay.
So if they want to extend, even they will extend on that up to 12 months.
For a year. Okay,
Yes. So based on that, we will check it out.
okay, fine. Thank you. Then I'll be waiting for the goods.
Yeah,
Thank you.
Sure,
Thanks
sir.
a lot. Puneet.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. So right now I am with Mr. Puneet, and he will be showing me how they are storing and making all these things in the warehouse, how they are keeping up the things, how they are stacking it up.
This is the thing where we are unloading and everything will be kept it here.
Okay.
Full stuffs. So we'll verify. Still in this week, barcoding, nothing has been done.
Okay.
So hardly we have received. So it is meant for the updates. After updating, we'll get the final code. Then we'll start doing the barcodes. So I'll show you the barcode we have done. So these are the books which we have done already barcoding. So you can see there is a customer name and dates, customer ID, and which is the packet, everything. So this is the inventory which we have received. So this is the where our team it will be generated in the customer place. After our receiver teams, they will re-verify and they will write it once more. Then it will go for the updation. Then we'll get the updated inventories where we are doing each items. It will be done the barcoding. Example, you can see number P, BH13146P3, BH1346P3. So this is the where we are cross-checking each items and it will be marked over there. Then it is the barcoding is done. Now it is moving towards to the seconds.
Okay.
So you can see the next team is already they are taking its barcoding is done and everything.
Okay.
So they are taking towards for the stacking.
Okay. So everything will be stacked in the 210 block and stuff.
Yes, sir. So I will show you even that also.
Okay.
Same thing. So these are the dots where will be unloading will be started.
Okay.
So we are all arranging the goods.
Okay.
These are unloading charges. So then we'll verify over there.
Okay. Okay.
So this is a stacking phase where we are doing on the pallets.
Okay.
This is the entire size will be taking.
Okay.
The same thing, barcode is there, so we'll verify here.
Okay.
So here we are where we are doing the stacking and everything.
Okay.
So here also there will be verified. So one of person will keep on picking the goods and everything.
Yeah.
And 2 persons will be arranged.
Okay.
And each layer we are taking the photos.
Okay.
So we are sending that one. It will be on the dashboard.
Okay.
Where
Okay.
a customer can view all the images.
All the
These are the
images.
goods which we have received.
Okay. So after it is stacked, you put some tapes or something like that.
No, tapes it will be done. So this is the thing what we have done the tapes.
Okay.
will be
Means
there. Yeah.
how will someone differentiate since all these things are kept like this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So here we have given the customer ID,
Okay, okay,
which we
okay.
have done, and the location SG4, which is we call for Solkia SG4,
Okay.
and this is BS6. So this is the thing which you can see there is S block.
Okay. Okay.
So this is the complete S block,
Okay.
and number 6 you can see over there. So there is a number 6. So where we are cross-checking over there.
Okay.
Number 6 is there. Yes. So this is the block what we are writing here.
Okay. Okay.
Block S6. So it
Okay.
is in S block. Serial number is 6.
6.
Then how many pallets?
Okay.
The goods once we arrange everything on the pallets. So how many pallet has been occupied? So
Okay.
here 1.5 is occupied this customer.
Okay.
So this is entirely one block of customer.
Okay. Okay.
Same thing next it will go for. You can see here 13386. So
Okay.
next you can see there is 13085.
Okay.
So this is one more block.
Okay.
From here to here there is one customer.
Okay.
So again 6 pallet. This is a 6 pallet.
Okay.
So this is entire customer of 6 pallet.
Okay.
So after that's what after that one we'll tie up with the buttons.
Okay. Okay.
These are the things what we are doing.
Okay.
TVs it will go once you can see the cylinders and TVs.
Yeah.
It will be here only. So after once we done the setting everything, it will move towards digital goods.
Okay. Okay.
We will shift in back.
Oh, so there will be another shifting also.
Yeah, for electronics there is a different place.
Okay.
So all including AC and FHS will be done.
Okay.
Electronic things it will go.
Okay. Okay. So like washing machines and TVs, TV washing machine and fridge and
No sir, only TV.
Okay.
Laptops, monitors.
okay. Those are bit sensitive items.
Sensitive items it will go there.
Okay.
Wash machine already you can see there is a fridge here.
Okay. Okay.
And fridge, wash machine. So
Okay.
this will be on the floor only.
Okay.
So not more delicate it will go for the
Okay. Like TVs will go for means the other side that you are saying.
other side in the same thing. So still we have each campus will be having one digital room. So
Okay, okay.
entire will be moved over.
Okay. 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 Understood.
One digital room there is. So if you will go for digital room also.
Okay.
Just have it.
Okay. Fine. Sure. So finally my goods have arrived, and since I was showing you the warehouse, now we are here. So now they will start unloading. As Puneet said, all those step-by-step processes, what will be happening. So now they will do all those processes, will start continuing.
Wait 1 second.
So now you can see it has arrived. Now they will start unloading, and accordingly they will start their processes of unpacking. So you can see one thing, they are very prompt with their service, and they are very diligent with what items, how it will be done. Everything has a process, just like we in software industry do have a process. Everything one by one continues. So this is just like a supply chain. So everything they will start unloading, and as Puneet said, it will continue. It will continue like this. So you can see right now within 5 minutes they unloaded my items, and it's done now. All my items are unloaded, and it's actually backside of the bed. So I'll show you. You can see everything is kept as it is, so no issues with that. So they just unloaded it in I think 5 minutes or so immediately, and that is what one thing that I liked, that they are very prompt with this, and they don't do any kind of delays in it. You can see the inventories are ready, and they will start their process one by one, verification, re-verification, if everything is available or not. So they will start continuing. So this is how the supply chain, the logistics work. You can see their verification has started. So their supervisor will look, and they'll cross-check what are the items they have mentioned there in my house, and the supervisor will re-verify if those items what are mentioned in the first note is matching with or not. Most probably it matches almost, because everything is thoroughly checked and conducted by the team, and after that they will start looking into the things. Sorry, the electricity has gone out, so this is how it happens.